Hello and welcome to a historic Premier League day from Everton gleaming New Hill Dickinson Stadium. The Toffees christened their home in style and beating Brighton by 2 goals to nil, and the atmosphere has been electric from the very first whistle. From kickoff, Brighton show no nervousness, quick combination through midfield, a teasing ball into the box, and it rattles the front of the goal. A huge let-off for Everton, and the roar from the home end tells you everything about the tension and the occasion. The Seagulls press high, but Everton look sharp on the break. Then the moment this stadium will never forget. Midway through the first half, Jack Grealish drifts into space down the left, head up, low crossed, fizzed into corridor of uncertainty, and Iliman Nadai arrives right on cue. He guides it home and writes his name into the club forks. The first ever league goal at Hill Dickinson Stadium, the place erupts, shirts swirling, scarves in the air, Everton lead. Brighton respond with purpose, they probe the channels, test the back line, clip the post again to close to Brighton respond with purpose. They probe the channels, test the back line, clip the post again, so close the equalizing. But the top is backed by a wall of nice bend without breaking. Jordan Pickford organizes, command and calms into the second half, and Everton come out flying. Still Britain will not go away. The work at a late opening penalty given up steps Danny Welbeck. Set a strike. Pickford saves a strong right and preserves the clean sheet, and uses the fair day. The Everton skipper thumps his chest and points into the stand. The noise is deafening. As we tick into stoppage time, Everton manage it smartly with the second balls, slow the tempo, squeeze the techniques. The final whistle blows and the Toffees have their perfect housewarming. Everton 2, Brighton 0. Nadai with history, Garner with the Cayenne, Grealish the quarter in chief, and Pickford the Gordon at the least. On the day of milestone and memories on Merseyside, Everton usher in a bold new era with 3 points to frame it from Hill Dickinson Stadium. Thanks for joining us. What a start to life in this magnificent new home.